Assalamualaikum and very good morning to professors, doctors and fellow colleagues. My name is Firdaus. I'm the lecturer from FPSK and is also the e-learning coordinator for the faculty. So for today, I've been assigned to actually show and also share how to use the folder function in our latest Moodle server, which is iTEL. Okay, so first of all, you would want to log in, okay, to your profile in iTEL. After that, go to your course. After that, the next step is to turn the editing on. Okay, so you can either turn the editing on the upper left side of your course, or at the center of your screen there's also an edit mode toggle button. Okay, so after that you can use a topic. You can choose a topic and also click on add an activity or resource. Okay, so you can see it opens up a screen which got a lot of activities and resources that we can choose from. But in this context of the video, so we just choose the folder button and click on it. Okay, so once you click on the folder button, you can name the folder. Okay, so in my case, I'm teaching trauma life support, so I'll be typing trauma life support. On the name, description will be like these files to be read before our trauma life support class. Okay, so you can also display description on the course page. Okay, after that you go down to the content. Okay, so here you can either download a file from the internet, or you can create a subfolder under the existing folder, and also you can choose a file or add a file. So if you're using this button, okay, just click on add file, choose file. Okay, so maybe in my context would be principles of bandaging. Click open. Okay, and upload this file. Okay, it will take a few seconds just to upload the file. Okay, or another way is you can also drag and drop the file into the content. Okay, so what we can do is minimize or just reduce the window size. Okay, and then choose a file under the folder which you want to take the files from. Okay, so let's say I want to choose this trauma in pregnancy. Click and drag it into the content window. Okay, a few seconds to upload it, and then there you go, it's under the folder already. Okay, so after that you can choose whether you want to display the folder contents on a separate page or inline on the course page. Okay, so if you choose inline on the course page, you should want to click or check the show subfolders expanded, so that once the students see the folder name, then they will see all the files under the folders. And also show download folder button. Okay, you can check it so that your students can straight away download the folder button without having to download the files individually. Okay, and also you can also go to the activity completion. Either the students can mark manually the activity as completed, or you can choose to not indicate the activity completion. Okay, and then you can put in your tags and also your competencies. Okay, after that, if you're done with the folder creation, then you can click save and display. Okay, so it will show as a folder under your topic 1, which is trauma life support folder. Okay, we can also see the contents of the trauma life support folder, which is principles of managing also trauma in pregnancy. Okay, so this is the download folder button that we check just now, so that the student can straight away download the folder with one click. So just try it. There you will download it into your punya computer, okay, under zip file. Okay, so you have to unzip. So I think that's all from me. Thank you very much.